There exists a powerful, forbidden knowledge that the chosen ones have held close for centuries. This knowledge is not something you find in textbooks or mainstream teachings. It's a wisdom that has been passed down through whispers, guarded by those who truly understand the secrets of the universe. But what if I told you that this knowledge has the power to make the universe obey your desires? Imagine having the ability to shape your reality simply by aligning your thoughts and energy with this ancient wisdom. It may sound too good to be true, but the truth is, this knowledge has been hidden away, waiting for the right moment to reveal itself to those who are ready. You might think this is just another idea or theory, but it's not what you think. This knowledge is the key to unlocking your true potential and manifesting the life you've always desired. Today, we're going to uncover the secrets that have been kept from the masses, secrets that have the power to change your life forever. Understanding this forbidden knowledge isn't just about gaining more insight, it's about survival in a universe that responds to every thought, every feeling, and every intention you hold. If you continue to live without this knowledge, you may find yourself at the mercy of forces beyond your control, constantly battling against the tide of life without ever realizing why things aren't going your way. Imagine a life where everything seems just out of reach, where no matter how hard you try, you can't seem to manifest your true desires. This is the reality for many who are unaware of the power they hold within. If this knowledge isn't applied, you may continue to live a life of frustration, feeling like a victim of circumstance. But by tapping into this wisdom, you can turn the tides in your favor, making the universe work for you instead of against you. The consequences of ignoring this knowledge are far-reaching. It could mean the difference between living a life of abundance or one of struggle. This is why it's crucial to understand and apply these principles, because your very reality depends on it. At the heart of this forbidden knowledge lies the mirror principle, a concept that is both simple and profound. The mirror principle states that the universe reflects back to you whatever you project from within. In other words, your external reality is a mirror of your internal world. If you see yourself as unworthy or incapable, the universe will reflect that belief back to you in the form of challenges, obstacles, and setbacks. Conversely, if you view yourself as deserving and capable, the universe will mirror those beliefs, bringing opportunities, success, and abundance into your life. This principle is not just a metaphor, it's a fundamental law of how the universe operates. Many people spend their lives trying to change their external circumstances without realizing that the true change must happen within. The mirror principle teaches us that to change our outer world, we must first change our inner world. This is where the real power lies, not in manipulating the outside world, but in transforming the way we see ourselves and our place in the universe. By mastering the mirror principle, you can begin to consciously create the life you desire, one reflection at a time. The first step in harnessing the power of the mirror principle is to consciously create the identity you want to embody. This means taking a deep look at who you are right now and who you want to become. Your identity is not just about the roles you play in life, but it's about the core beliefs you hold about yourself. If you believe that you are destined for greatness, the universe will reflect that belief back to you in the form of opportunities and successes. But if you see yourself as small, insignificant, or unworthy, the universe will mirror that back as well, reinforcing those limiting beliefs. So, how do you create a new identity? Start by defining who you want to be in clear, specific terms. Picture the person who already has what you desire. What qualities do they possess? How do they think, feel, and act? Once you have a clear picture, begin to adopt these qualities in your daily life. Affirmations can be a powerful tool in this process. By regularly affirming your new identity, saying things like "I am powerful," "I am worthy of abundance," or "I am in control of my reality," you start to reprogram your subconscious mind to align with this new version of yourself. Over time, as you internalize this new identity, the universe will begin to reflect it back to you, and your external reality will shift to match your inner world. Once you have created your desired identity, the next step is to harness the power of vision and affirmation to solidify this new self-image. Vision is the ability to see in your mind's eye the reality you want to create. It's not just about setting goals, it's about vividly imagining the life you want to live, down to the smallest details. The more clearly you can see this vision, the more powerfully you can draw it into your reality. But vision alone is not enough, it must be paired with the right affirmations to truly take root. Affirmations are positive statements that reinforce your vision and your new identity. They help to override the old, limiting beliefs that have been holding you back and replace them with empowering ones. For example, if your vision is to become financially free, your affirmations might be, "I am a magnet for wealth, money flows to me effortlessly," or "I am open to receiving abundance from all sources." These affirmations should be repeated daily, with conviction and emotion, until they become a natural part of your thinking. Over time, as you hold your vision and repeat your affirmations, you will begin to notice subtle shifts in your reality. Opportunities that align with your vision will start to appear, and obstacles that once seemed insurmountable will begin to dissolve. This is the power of vision and affirmation. They turn your thoughts into things, transforming your inner desires into outer realities. As you begin to apply the mirror principle and create your new identity, you will inevitably face challenges and misconceptions that can throw you off course. One of the biggest misconceptions is that change should happen instantly. We live in a world that values immediate results, but the universe doesn't always operate on our timeline. There is often a delay between the internal shift and the external manifestation. This can be frustrating, leading many people to give up just before their breakthrough occurs. It's important to understand that this delay is a natural part of the process. The universe needs time to rearrange itself to match your new identity and vision. During this period, you must remain steadfast in your beliefs and continue to hold your vision, even when it seems like nothing is happening. Another common challenge is dealing with old patterns and beliefs that resurface, trying to pull you back into your old way of being. These patterns are like shadows, lingering remnants of your past identity that resist change. The key to overcoming them is awareness. When these old thoughts and feelings arise, don't fight them or get discouraged. Acknowledge them, but remind yourself that they are no longer who you are. You have chosen a new path, a new identity, and it's just a matter of time before your external reality catches up. By staying focused and persistent, you can overcome these challenges and misconceptions, and fully step into the life you were meant to live. To truly bring the mirror principle to life, it's essential to engage in the exercise of repetition and patience. This is where many people falter, as they expect immediate results without understanding the power of consistent effort over time. The universe responds to the energy you put out, and this energy must be sustained and consistent to create lasting change. Just as you wouldn't expect to build muscle after one workout, you can't expect your new identity and reality to solidify after a few days of practice. It's in the repetition, daily affirmations, visualization, and maintaining your new identity that true transformation occurs. Patience is key here. Understand that while the universe is working in your favor, it may take time for the results to become visible. Trust the process and keep your focus on the end goal. Remember, the delay is not a denial, it's simply a part of the natural order. By committing to this exercise of repetition and patience, you align yourself with the flow of the universe, allowing your desires to manifest at the right time. A crucial aspect of the mirror principle is the concept of delayed reflection. In our physical reality, there's often a time lag between the intention you set and its manifestation in the world. This delay can be frustrating if misunderstood, but it's actually a protective mechanism that ensures what you truly desire is what you receive. Imagine if every thought you had instantly materialized, chaos would ensue. The delay allows you to refine your desires and intentions, giving you time to align fully with the identity you wish to embody. During this period, it's vital to maintain your belief in the outcome you seek, even if there's no immediate evidence of change. Doubt and fear are the biggest obstacles during this time. They can derail your progress and reset the cycle, forcing you to start over. Instead, use this time to reinforce your vision and affirmations, knowing that the universe is aligning circumstances in your favor. The key is to stay focused, persistent, and unwavering in your belief that your desires are on their way. This understanding of delayed reflection will help you navigate the waiting period with grace and confidence, ensuring that you remain on the path to manifesting your true desires. One of the most challenging aspects of working with the mirror principle is breaking free from the cycle of negative reflection. This cycle occurs when you become trapped in a loop of observing negative outcomes, internalizing them, and then manifesting more of the same. It's a vicious cycle that can feel impossible to escape, but it's entirely within your power to break free. The first step is to stop giving attention to the negative reflections. This doesn't mean ignoring reality, but rather choosing not to dwell on it or give it more energy than necessary. Instead, focus on the positive aspects of your life and the vision you've created. By shifting your focus away from what you don't want and towards what you do want, you begin to change the reflection in the mirror of reality. It's also important to remember that the mirror reflects not just your conscious thoughts, but your deeper, subconscious beliefs. This is why simply thinking positively isn't enough. You must also work on transforming your underlying beliefs and emotions. This can be done through deep inner work, such as meditation, journaling, or therapy, where you explore and release the limiting beliefs that are holding you back. As you do this work, you'll notice that the negative reflections start to fade, and a new, more positive reality begins to emerge. By breaking free from the cycle of negative reflection, you reclaim your power as a creator of your reality, allowing you to manifest the life you truly desire. The mirror cycle is a powerful concept that can change the way you approach reality. Most people live reactively, responding to the world around them without realizing that they are creating it in the first place. They see the reflection in the mirror of reality and assume it's fixed, unchangeable, and beyond their control. But the truth is, you can influence this cycle by consciously choosing the image you want to project. Instead of reacting to the reflection, start with the image you wish to see. This means deciding in advance how you want your life to look and feel, and then living as though that reality is already true. This approach requires a shift from being a passive observer to an active creator of your reality. When you begin with the image, you send a clear message to the universe about what you want, and the universe has no choice but to reflect that back to you. Over time, as you consistently choose the image you want to project, the reflection in the mirror will change, bringing your desires into reality. This is the essence of the mirror cycle, a continuous loop of creation and reflection that you control. By mastering this cycle, you can create a life that aligns with your highest vision and deepest desires, rather than one dictated by external circumstances. Consistent self-reflection is crucial to maintaining the power of the mirror principle in your life. It's easy to get caught up in the busyness of daily life and forget to check in with yourself and your intentions. However, without regular self-reflection, it's impossible to know if you're still aligned with your desired identity and vision. Set aside time each day, even if it's just a few minutes, to reflect on your thoughts, emotions, and actions. Are they in alignment with the life you want to create? Are there any old patterns or beliefs resurfacing that need to be addressed? This practice not only keeps you on track, but also helps you make adjustments as needed. Remember, the universe is always responding to your inner state, so it's important to stay conscious of what you're projecting. Through consistent self-reflection, you ensure that your inner world remains aligned with your goals, allowing the mirror of reality to reflect back the life you truly desire. As you come to the end of this journey through the mirror principle, it's time to fully embrace the power that lies within this ancient wisdom. The mirror principle is more than just a tool for manifesting your desires, it's a way of life. It's about taking full responsibility for your reality, understanding that you are the creator of your experience, and that the universe is your mirror. By embracing this power, you step into your true role as a co-creator with the universe, shaping your destiny with intention and purpose. The mirror principle invites you to live consciously, to choose your thoughts and beliefs with care, and to project only what you truly want to experience. It's a journey of self-discovery, where you learn to master your inner world so that your outer world reflects your highest desires. This is the essence of the forbidden knowledge that has been hidden from the masses, now revealed to those who are ready to use it wisely. By applying the mirror principle in your life, you unlock the door to limitless possibilities, where the universe responds to your every thought, every desire, and every intention. The mirror principle is a powerful and transformative tool that allows you to take control of your reality and create the life you truly desire. By understanding and applying this principle, you can break free from the cycles of negativity and frustration that have held you back and step into a new reality where the universe works in your favor. This knowledge is not just for the chosen few, it's available to anyone who is willing to embrace it and use it wisely. As you move forward on your journey, remember that the universe is always listening, always reflecting back to you the image you project. Choose your thoughts, beliefs, and intentions carefully, and watch as your reality begins to shift in ways you never thought possible. The power to create your destiny lies within you. Embrace it, and let the universe obey your desires.